Okay, video for angle spacer. Since this is going to be an isometric drawing, we're going to go down here and make sure that the isometric drafting tab is selected. And you'll see a red and green two lines at your cursor. So, and you can change the plane by just hitting F5. You can see that moving around there. We're going to be, right now I'm going to be here. And the dimensions are in inches, so if you don't have the screen up top there, type in menu bar, all one word, enter, and change that 0 to a 1 and hit enter again. Now, I can come up here, format, dimension style, modify, and I can go to primary units, and here we're in decimals, and we're two places to the right, so we're good here. So I'm just going to hit OK and close. I'm also going to go here to this red A, click it, drawing utilities, go to units, decimal, two places, and you just verify that, and everything else looks good here. Okay, so ready to draw. You would just come here and take a line, pick any spot, and I'm going to turn off that snap to grid, and okay, so you would just go to line, and I would pick the bottom line at the bottom and just pick a spot and type in 3 tab, and your angle is going to be 30. Hit enter, and that gives us the bottom line, which is the same as this one here. And I'm going to erase that, but what you're going to do, you're going to come here, draw this line, lead the cursor in the direction you want to go, and type in 1.5 to get this line. Hit escape, go back to line, and go to this point and lead it in the direction you want to go, and type in 0.25, lead it in the direction, go 0.75, up 0.5, back 0.75, and up 0.5. That'll give you this. Come over to here, and what I did, just what you want to do, right click, grid settings, just go to object snap, select all, hit OK, and go to your line command, find the midpoint, and draw a line straight up from the midpoint. And the length of that is going to be 2. So once you have that 2, the flat part at the top is going to be 1. You're going to draw one line at a 1/2 inch, another line at a 1/2 inch, and then all you'll have left to do is connect those 2 points and these 2 points to the end that you've already created. Okay? Now for the circle, you're going to use an offset command of 1. So you would go here, type in 1, select this line, and move it over to here. And then you could also choose the bottom line and offset it up 1 and have a crosshair. And then for the circle, you're going to go ellipse, iso circle, and type in the diameter, which is 1. Pick this point, type in the 1, and you'll have the circle. Okay? Come here, and all you have to do is pick one of these lines, offset it 1/4 inch, and what you want to do is hit F5 to switch your line direction. And once you have one of these drawn at 1/4 inch, you can just copy those around, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. And then you can copy this perimeter shape here, copy it from one point to the back point, and you'll have it. And then the other last thing to do is draw a line straight back here, 1/4 of an inch, copy this ellipse back to that point, and then trim it off, and you'll have that. And that should do it.